Trinidad. I soon have beenie man na the hot seat. Because una say him disrespect una food. Well, here what me have to say now, beenie man. He's an artist where me rate now. And the only advice I would give to you right now is to apologize to the Trinidadian people them. Because everyone culture must be respected, especially when it comes to them food. We are Jamaicans, you know. And we don't want nobody disrespect with food and disrespect with culture. We don't know it go when people come out and disrespect Jamaican food. So we're not supposed to disrespect nobody food neither and nobody culture. Hear what me I say. Beenie man. A whole heap of fans you have at Trinidad, you know. And them angry with the eye right now. So if that way you said, you don't really mean it like you say it, or whatever reason why you say it, just go and apologize, Rasta. Because, beenie man, me I gotta remind you of something. Some years ago, I hear you said something multiple times that it takes a real man to apologize when he is wrong. And if you forget that you did said that, run a recap in your memory and apologize to those people. Because even if you don't like them food, it must be respected. And I want to make the eye them know, say, a one Caribbean nation, you know. Big up Trinidad. And big up all Trinidadian. Big up Jamaica. And big up all Jamaicans. One family. Right, sir. Me! Shocking Murray said that.